it's me, Pip. Today, Miss Ladybug taught me about fraction fun. Let me show you. First, we need something that we can count and something that we can split into equal parts. Oh, this blueberry will work. How many blueberries do you see? Yes, there is just one whole blueberry. But watch closely, Dewdrops. How many blueberries do you see now? Are there 2 blueberries? No, not really. There are 2 parts of a blueberry, or 2 equal halves of a blueberry. 1 half here and 1 half there. When we put 1 half and 1 half together, there is 1 whole blueberry. Isn't making fractions just soporific? I'm gonna go make more fractions. You should try it. Goodbye, Dewdrops.